Hey there, dynamic virtual dreamers. Welcome back to the Aspiring VA series, where I'm your trusted compass in the world of virtual assistants. I'm your girl Cranberry, and today we're diving headfirst into a topic that often dances on the fine line between confidence and uncertainty, and that is setting your rates. If you've ever wondered how to price your valuable VA services without second guessing yourself, you're in for a treat. So, grab your notepad and get ready to unravel the secrets of effective pricing strategies. Now, picture this. You've spent hours honing your skills, crafting a niche that's uniquely yours, and building a toolkit that's a digital treasure chest. Now, the question arises, what's all of this worth? Setting your rates isn't just about numbers. It's about recognizing your value and the impact that you bring to the table. Consider you're a seasoned virtual assistant in content creation. Your years of experience, expertise in crafting compelling copy, and knack for understanding your clients' needs are the facets that contribute to your value. Pricing isn't just about the hours, it's about the value that you bring. One of the busy, One of the biggest mistakes is undervaluing yourself. It's like entering a grand ballroom with your head down. Remember, you're not just offering tasks, you're offering solutions, expertise, and dedication. So, research your niche, understand the market, and know where you stand. Knowledge is power when it comes to pricing. Suppose you offer social media management. Research your competitors' pricing for similar services. This insight helps you to determine where you stand in the market and how you can justify your rates based on your unique offerings. You don't want rates that are too high to scare potential clients or too low to diminish your hard work. It's all about finding that just right balance. Start by calculating your baseline, considering factors like expenses, time, and effort. Then, factor in your expertise and the value you bring to the table. Think of your rates as different packages at a restaurant. The more options you offer, the easier it is for clients to find their perfect fit. Having tiered packages not only caters to different budget levels, but also showcases the range of skills and services that you have to offer. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to pricing. This strategy empowers you to accommodate various budgets while ensuring your expertise is appropriately compensated. Imagine you provide administrative support. Offer packages with different levels of service, from basic administrative tasks to comprehensive project management. Clients can choose the packages that align with their needs and their budget. No, confidence is your secret ingredient. When you confidently present your rates, client can sense your self-assuredness. It's not just about numbers on a screen, it's about the value you bring, the problems you solve, and the impact that you make. So, guys, tell me, are you ready to conquer the realm of pricing like a true virtual virtuoso? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap that notification bell. Remember, setting your rates isn't just about numbers, it's about believing in your value. And there you have it, my aspiring VAs. Pricing your VA services isn't a one size fits all formula. It's a strategic dance between value and confidence. Join me next time for episode 6, where we'll delve into the dynamic world of client communication. Until then, go forth with confidence and let your rates reflect your worth. Once again, I'm your girl Cranberry. Until next time, bye.